Hey Nash, what should we make?
You should make that Rotini pasta bake you make. That would fit into our Inflation Sucks series. And you can call it BakeTini.
All right, let's make an Inflation Sucks BakeTini. Today, we're making another Inflation Sucks meal. We're making BakeTini, which is really just a pasta bake or similar to like a baked ziti. I just happen to have Rotini, so that's what we're gonna use. It's a meal I make often. It's kind of something you can make and eat halfway through, or you can finish it. So I'll show you how to do that. But anyways, BakeTini, Inflation Sucks, let's go. Bring 4 to 6 quarts of water to a boil. Salt it heavily. Then we add our pasta. As I mentioned, we're using Rotini. So cook your pasta to package directions. I'm gonna go with al dente. So we're cooking this for 7 minutes. So we're gonna give it a stir just to make sure nothing sticks together, etc. And then we let that cook. As soon as your pasta is done, kill the heat, drain your pasta, and return it to the same pot. Then in a large skillet, a little bit of neutral oil. Let that get nice and hot. And we put in a pound of ground beef. We season this with a little bit of salt, pepper, granulated garlic. As your beef starts to brown, throw in 1 diced onion. I'm leaving that out because of Nash. Drain off any excess liquid. Throw in a few cloves of minced garlic. Cook that till it's fragrant, about 45 seconds. You stir that in. And add in 2 small jars of your favorite tomato sauce. Mix that all together. Bring that up to a simmer, then lower your heat to low. Stir it occasionally and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, we kill the heat, stir everything around. Then we can add our sauce to our pasta. And stir this up. At this point, make sure and preheat your oven to 350. So earlier I mentioned this is kind of a 2-step dish, as in you could eat it halfway through, it's ready to serve, or you could keep going to the final step or the final result. So right now you have Rotini in a, or whatever pasta you use, in a meat sauce. So you could literally serve this to yourself or your family or whatever, you know, grate some Parmesan on top of that, plate it, good to go. But hey, we're gonna keep going and turn this into a baked pasta dish. So here's what we do. We take about half of our pasta meat sauce mixture and we spread it over the bottom of our pan here, or our dish. And we cover this with provolone slices. If you had a block of provolone, you could do grated. It doesn't really matter. And then bear with me on this one, but about a cup of sour cream, trust me. Then we put on the rest of our pasta meat sauce mixture. And we top this with a mixture of grated mozzarella and Parmesan. Then we put this into our 350 oven for about 30 minutes. Once your 30 minutes are up, we can go ahead and take this out of the oven. Let's go ahead and, I would let this rest for a little while before you do this, but I just want to see this cheese pull. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Now we can let it rest. Let it cool, let it solidify a little bit. And there's our little piece of BakeTini. Just sort of dress it up with a little bit of parsley here. And there we have our BakeTini. Time for a bite. Cheers. That is so good. It's rich, it's pasty, it's cheesy, it's savory, it's cheesy. I already said that. It's just really good. Like I said, it's easy, it's cheap, it's a really good go-to meal. Another inflation buster. Let's see what Nash thinks. Here, bud, look what we got. We got some of that, whoops, and we're dropping it. Well, here you go. It's our little BakeTini. What do you think, bud?
Tastes just like love and pasta.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
As water reflects the face, so one's life reflects the heart.
Such wisdom. Nash approves. I approve. Another great inflation buster. Go make this. Make it for you. Make it for your family. Whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Really means a lot to us. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to go like, subscribe, and share, that would also help us out. It mean a lot to us as well. If you want notifications, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.